Hi guys, it's Peachy. Today we will be making a color changing cup using some UV gel polish. I've always loved color changing / glow in the dark things ever since I was little, so this is really fun to make and I hope you guys try it out. I'm using this cup from the best store on earth, aka Dollarama, and you can use a Sharpie to draw the outline of your design. If you make a mistake, you can rub it off with some alcohol. I'm going to show you guys my color changing polishes. I did use these in my other video, but here are the swatches again. And I buy these off of eBay for like $1 to $2 each. So for the background of this heart, I'm using a purple polish right now, and this polish just turns purple. So I wanted something that would change a bit more, so I decided to go over it with this other polish that's purple when it's cool, but when it's warm it actually turns pink. For each layer of polish, I'm curing it for 30 seconds under my UV lamp, and you can see that the purple turned pink from the heat. For my background, I'm going for a sunset theme, so I'm making some clouds with this blue polish, and this polish is turquoise when it's hot and like a dark grayish blue when it's cool. Oh no, the cup looks like it's crying. Better wipe that real quick. I like to use a toothpick to shape my clouds, and I'm also going to mix white with this blue polish to create like a different shade. For this bottom part, I'm using a blue glittery polish that turns a lighter shade of blue when it gets hot. I'm using a regular white polish to draw the outline of a cat, and I'm drawing a white cat because this cup is actually a present for my best friend who at the time wanted to get a white kitten, but it didn't end up happening. But I still wanted to make her this gift anyway, because who knows, maybe one day she'll actually get that cat. And she also really likes cups, which is another reason why I'm making this for her. And here's where I realized I kind of messed up by painting over the Sharpie. Because that makes it really hard to remove since it's like trapped under the gel polish. So when you're painting with the nail polish, make sure that you don't go over the Sharpie. Or if you do decide to paint over the Sharpie, make sure that all of it is covered so it doesn't look whack. And here I'm trying to like cover up the border by adding like a layer of glittery purple polish, but it was kind of transparent, so you can still kind of see the Sharpie underneath. So yeah, just a tip for you guys. So I'm pretty much finished with my design, and before sealing it off with some top coat, I think it's a good idea to either use some hot water or some cold water to test out the color change effect and see if you would like to change anything. My tap water doesn't get cold enough, so I took advantage of being a Canadian and went outside and got some snow on my cup, and as you can see, it looks so much more different. I really like the dark blue background because it looks like nighttime scenery, and it will change back if you add some hot water. To seal off my design, I'm using this no wipe top coat, and I use this for like my regular manicures too. So adding this will make the design not sticky anymore. And that's all you gotta do to turn your cup into a color changing one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this project. Make sure to subscribe for more DIY videos and Snoopy videos.